Comhrá ag an trá. Tá fáilte roimh gach ila rinne. Everybody's welcome to walk on the beach and have a conversation in Irish. And this is a celebration of the sounds of nature and the sounds of the Irish language. On the 5th of March, on Cuigu lá den mí Márta, ag a tríochlog, we will be on the beach, we will be speaking Irish and playing some games, meeting new people, and the most important thing, enjoying life. Ag buineh sult agus sonas as an sail. Kathleen at theedgeschool.net. That's how you can find out more. I'm looking forward to seeing you playing on the beach.